জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Don't you dare. Don't you dare get up from here today. You are not allowed to get up today. You'll only sleep and get some rest.
I can't sleep, sir. Father is...
Mom is there with him. Nayan, you don't worry. Mom will take good care of Dad.
But sir, I entrusted you with father's responsibility. Why did you come here? No. I have to go to father. I have to go.
Nayan, you please calm down, okay? Mom won't take care of Dad any less than us, understand? Look, you are panicking for no reason.
I don't know all that, sir. Please move.
Quiet. Not another word.
No. Friend? Hey, friend! I didn't see anything. I can't see. Oh my! Oh, something went into my eyes. I can't see anything.
We can't leave this room, Mom. If not together, we'll take turns and stay here. As if we all are guarding Dad.
Exactly. When Trapabrato wakes up, just give him a message. We have to pretend to be caring towards him. That's the idea he should get, understand? My task is to take care of Tapabrato's food. Meals will be served to Tapabrato on time. And it's our responsibility that we have to convince him at any cost that we are as worried about him as Nayan, right?
Let me look at his medicines and the doses so that the whole matter is in our hands, okay? What is this? The name of the medicines and their doses are written in Bangla.
What? They are written in Bangla?
Yes, look. This is Deepu's handwriting. He has written everything in Bangla so that Nayan can give him the medicines. So much fuss. So much show-off. I will make sure all this fuss and show-off are stopped. It's a promise.
Dripto. I didn't see anything. I promise I did not see anything. Oh, I am so angry with myself. I'm worse than Aunt Durba. In fact, I'm even worse than Uncle Vicky. Otherwise, who plays gooseberry like this? Start from where you left off. Hey friend, start from where you left off. And Dripto, I'm serious. I did not see anything.
Rangana, you've been saying you didn't see anything. What's there to see?
You won Vermilion like my friend. I did not see that before. You know, you are looking really cute, Dripto.
Rangana, you better stop joking. Just say what you came here to say and leave from here. Hey, what's so funny in this? That's why mom scolds you.
I did not come here to say anything. I came to see my friend. But I saw what I had to. I will buzz off now.
Where did my handkerchief go? Where's my handkerchief? I can't find anything when I need them. God knows where they keep things. Let me check that room.
Don't go, sir. No, I mean, don't go out with vermilion on your forehead.
Yes, but how will I wipe the vermilion? I couldn't find any handkerchief.
If you don't mind, sir, I can wipe the vermilion with the corner of my sari. Should I?
किस्मत को है ये मंजूर।
You aren't able to rest. You get some rest, I'll go. I'll get a glass of hot milk for you. And listen, you have to eat properly. You've had your breakfast so late. Look, breakfast, you have to eat your meals on time. You ignored your meals while taking care of that. That's why you fainted.
is his last night, Nayan. I'll come to take your father-in-law away.
That's not the reason. That's not the reason. Actually, father,
You talk too much. Nan, you're talking way too much, you know? Anyway, listen, I'm bringing you your food. You eat it properly.
sir, listen to me. What do I do? I couldn't tell sir anything. Mother said that father will be alive only until today. So how can I sit on my hands after knowing all this?
There is nothing in your hand. You won't be able to stop your father. You won't be able to do anything. You won't.
Mother said I wouldn't be able to do anything. I wouldn't be able to stop the danger. Oh, Lourdes Vishalakshi, if I can't stop the danger, then why did you bless me with such a power? If I can't save father, what's the use of my power, Lourdes? Lourdes, please tell me something. Which way will father's death come from? Oh, what if I stand guard around that path? If I stand guard around that path, won't I be able to avert the danger? Won't I? Will I stay quiet even after knowing about father's danger? No. I will go to father. I won't let father stay alone. No. I have to go to father.
I won't find peace until I kill that girl.
We have to finish that girl off, Sanjukta. Otherwise, we all will be in trouble. That girl is dangerous. Didn't you see how she melted the heart of a guy like Tripto? A girl like Jasmine couldn't make a place for herself. But that girl, Sanjukta, Tripto is slowly drifting to that girl's team.
I won't let him do that. I won't. Once I handle Tapobrata's matter, I will handle him.
I shouldn't have left father alone. I will sit near father and stand guard over him all night. I won't let her take father away.
I won't let that girl control Deepu at all. I won't. Never.
Mother Sanjukta? What are you all doing? You tore the paper written by sir?
What are you doing here?
I'll stay in this room tonight with father.
You are crossing your limit, Nayan. Just because you've been accepted as the elder daughter-in-law of the family doesn't mean you can do anything. Don't forget that my decision is still the final word in this family, and you can't stay in this room. Because Tapobrata is my husband.
And you don't forget that he's my father. And no one can keep me away from my father. No one.
Really? Is that so? Then let me see if I can get you out of this room. Deepu! Deepu! Deepu, come to this room. I need to talk to you.
Mother Sanjukta, please don't do this. Father will wake up.
Deepu, will you come or not?
Please keep quiet. Keep quiet. Please keep quiet.
Deepu!
Father will wake up. Talk softly.
Deepu!
Let me show you something funny.
Deepu!
Sanjukta! Sanjukta, calm down. Your blood pressure will shoot up because of Nayan. Sanjukta, my sweet sister, calm down. Please calm down.
Deepu!
Please let us do it, sir. We all are here.
You don't have to do anything. I'll do it.
Sir, if ma'am gets to know that you are doing everything, then
I have to prepare this food myself. You can't do it.
Deepu, will you come to this room or not?
Be quiet. You'll fall sick because of Nayan. Your blood pressure will shoot up. Please don't shout.
Deepu!
What did Nayan do?
Deepu, I need to talk to you. Come to this room fast, Deepu.
What happened, Nayan?
Excitement is not good for father. What do I do now?
What happened, Sanjukta? What's all this noise? Tell me, why are you all shouting?
Mom? Mom? What are you doing in this room? I asked you to rest. What are you doing here?
I didn't do anything, sir.
Hey, keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Let me talk.
Mom, what's the matter? What has she done? And why was uncle saying that you are feeling sick because of Nayan?
The real fun will begin now. Just wait and watch how mom scolds Nayan in front of Tripto.
Of course I will fall sick. My throat started paining shouting at her, but she isn't listening to me. Look. Just look at her condition right now. I know she loves Tapabrata like her father, but does that mean she will do this? Will she ignore her meals and rest? Tapabrata is better now, right? Yet she isn't able to trust us. She's saying that I won't stay with Tapabrata, she will. Who will make her understand? Who will handle her other than you?
Mother Sanjukta is thinking about my health.
I can't believe my ears. Huh? Is Sanjukta seriously concerned about Nayan? This is just the opposite of what we imagined. What will happen now?
I am also clueless, uncle.
I gave you the responsibility of taking care of her. Didn't I tell you repeatedly that she wasn't well and you should ask her to rest and take care of her meals? But she came rushing to this room. How did you allow her?
Mom, actually, I went downstairs.
No, Deepu, no. I don't want to hear any excuses. I entrusted you with a responsibility. Why didn't you fulfill it? It never happened before, Deepu. Or you don't trust me nowadays either. Tell me honestly what you thought. That I wouldn't take care of your dad?
You asked Tripto, sir, to take care of me. You were so concerned about my health that you asked Tripto, sir, to take care of me.
Sanjukta is trying to play the game in a different way. She needs support. Why, Nayan? Are you not able to believe what she said?
No offense, but to be honest, I can't believe her. You consider me a housemaid, Mother Sanjukta? And a murderer. What do you say? Yes, criminal. You ask sir to take care of the housemaid who is a criminal, whom you always wanted to stay away from, sir.